Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate entries and duplicate rows from a database. I have several databases here. I'm going to go ahead and trim one down. I've got a database that's every city and zip code within the United States. It's 41,755 records. Now, if I do a search for Tampa, for example, let's see. You'll see that I have 62 records indicating Tampa. Now, for the purpose that I need this database, I don't need to have every zip code inside of Tampa. I just need to have the city of Tampa, Florida, and the city, there's another Tampa somewhere, but I'm not sure exactly where it is. So how do you get rid of all of this? How do you get rid of all your duplicates? It's really easy in PHP MyAdmin if you know what you're doing. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new table, and we're going to call this new table. And we're going to create this as select from get my cursor back over here. And we're going to select from cities extended full. And I capitalize that. Hang on while Okay, we're going to select from cities extended full, and we need a query, and this query is going to get everything that we have in here. So we're going to go where one, which will give you every record because it's true. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the group by. And we are going to group it by these columns, city and state code. So we type city, comma, state code. Okay, so let's look this over. Now we're creating a new create table, calling it new table as select everything from cities extended full where one, meaning every record. And we're going to group these records by city and by state code. So it looks like we're ready to run our query, and just in case something messes up, I'm going to go ahead and make a copy of it. I just cut and copy. I'm going to paste it over here, and then okay, I've pasted that out of the way there, and now I'm going to run the code. And as you can see, we have a new table, and we look at that table, and it's called new table, and it's got 29,738 rows where our original table had 41,755. Now we'll run that search again, and on that search for Tampa, and this is the original one that came back with 62. Now we'll go to the new table, and we run the search for Tampa. And let's see, we're in the new one, and we'll search Tampa. And we should only have a couple. Rows 0 to 1 of 2 rows, and you have Tampa, Florida, and Tampa, Kansas. And that is how you get rid of duplicate entries in your database. The other thing you can do, I'm going to take this back here, I've cut and pasted, so I'm going to bring it back here. I'm going to show you. If you only have one table or one field that you want to qualify on, for example, each city is unique, but in my case, each city isn't unique because there's a Tampa in Florida, there's a Tampa in Kansas, and God knows if you look for Springfield, I'm sure that that's going to be kind of interesting. But it's pretty easy to do, and gets the job done, and it's very effective. And just for curiosity, I'm done with this, but I was just kind of curious on Springfield. So yeah, there's 24 of them in different states, so 24 states have a Springfield. So if you want to use this particular code, I'm going to go ahead and put a copy of it down in the description, and you can use this code if you'd like to. If there's other things that you want to know about PHP, pretty simple stuff, just look at my other videos, visit my website at lenfarnath.com. There's a list of all my videos there, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, rate, and thumbs up are always nice.